app cab company. The local office of the app cab company evaluates the performance of 5 cab drivers: Arun, Barun, Chandan, Damodaran, and Iman. A, B, C, D, E. I really like it when that happens. It's life is simple. Based on ratings on 5 different parameters, P1 to P5, as given below. P1 is timely arrival, P2 is behavior, P3 is comfortable ride, P4 is driver's familiarity with the route, P5 is value for money. Right? And I don't think we need to remember these. We need to think about P1 to P5. Based on feedback from the customers, the office assigns a rating from 1 to 5 in each of these parameters. Each rating is an integer from a low value of 1 to a high value of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The final rating of a driver is the average of his ratings in these 5 parameters. The monthly payment of the driver has 2 parts: a fixed payment and a final rating-based bonus. Fixed and variable, like everybody else, the drivers are also victim to this performance culture. Okay. If a driver gets a rating of 1 in any one of the parameters, he's not eligible to get bonus. Yeah, we need to make sure that there's some reason that we can say, look, you don't get a bonus. To be eligible for bonus, a driver also needs to get a rating of 5 in at least one of the parameters. So it should be a star, and it shouldn't be nasty in any one thing. So, God forbid you charge a lot of money, you can make sure that customers put 1 on value for money, which has nothing to do with the driver, but the poor guy won't get his bonus. Anyway, enough about the system. Let's go to good. The partial information related to the ratings of the drivers in different parameters and the monthly payment structure is given in the table below. So P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, this will have numbers 1, 2, 5, 4. Right? How much does the driver get paid? I'm not saying this is the numbers, some numbers like this. Arun gets a fixed payment of 1,000 and bonus is 250 into average of these 5. Average probably is around 3, 3.1, 2.9, around 3. So 250 into 3, 750 rupees. So the drivers are going to get in the ballpark of 1,000 plus that, or 1,200 plus that, 1,400 plus whatever that rating is, 1,300 plus this, 1,100 plus this. Right? So let's look at this. So we have what numbers are there. Maybe we'll be able to fill all this. Let's go further. The following additional facts are known. Arun and Barun have got a rating of 5 in exactly one of the parameters. Arun and Barun, 1 parameter. Chandan has got a rating of 5 in exactly 2 parameters. None of the drivers has got the same rating in 3 parameters. Lovely. Arun and Barun have got 1 5 each, and then has got 2 5s. Nobody has got 3 5s or 3 3s or 3 2s or 3 1s. 3 of the same, not happening. Right? So I'm going to capture a bare outline of the data. Fixed is 1,000. This is 250 into R, where R is average of these 5. Lovely. Additional comment: Arun has got 1 5. Barun has got 1 5. Chandan has got 2 5s. Nobody has got 3 of the same kind. That's all. That's not been given much. I don't think we can fill the data in any meaningful form. So this is going to get filled with us seeing the question. If Damodaran does not get a bonus, what is the maximum possible value of his final rating? He does not get a bonus. And we want it to be as high as possible. And so what should we do? We can say he doesn't get a 5. That way he won't get a bonus. So you can put 4, 4. And then we can put 3, 3, 2. And so that way we max him out and we deny him bonus because he hasn't got a 5. Or we could give him 2 5s and stick a 1 in there, preventing him from getting a bonus. You can have 4, 4, 3, 3, 2 or 5, 5, 4, 3, 1. 5, 5, 4, 3, 1 is obviously better. This can be 2 in the first scenario. It's 1, so it's only 1 less, but everything else is higher. So the obvious way of depriving him of a bonus would be to stick a 1 somewhere and then 2 5s. But remember, we cannot have 3 5s. We cannot have if we have 5s, the only way he can be denied a bonus by having 1. So we'll have to either prevent him from having a 5 at all or stick in a 1 there. Sticking in a 1 gives us a higher total because we can then throw 2 5s in. Total 5 plus 5, 10, 14, 15, 18. 18 by 5 is 3.6. This is what I would go for. So you can get a rating of 3.6 and still be denied a bonus. If Iman gets a bonus, what is the minimum possible value of his final rating? Iman gets a bonus. What is the minimum possible value of his final rating? He gets a bonus. Sure. That means he must have had a 5. He cannot have had a 1. And so let's put a 5 in there. So 1, 5, no 1s. We want the total to be as low as possible. He already has a 2. Give him another 2. He cannot have 3 2s. So give him a 3 and one more 3. 5, 3, 3, 2, 2. So he will get a bonus. No 1s. He has 1, 5 at least. So what does it add up to? 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 by 5. 3. Lovely. Iman gets a bonus. What is the minimum possible value of his final rating? That will be 3. 15 by 5. If all 5 drivers get bonus, what is the minimum possible value of the monthly payment that a driver gets? And all of them get a bonus. So they should have a 5 for sure. And then they should not have a 1. And the minimum possible for Arun have a 5. Oops. If all 5 drivers get bonus, what is the minimum possible value of the monthly payment in rupees that a driver gets? So we need to have the minimum possible value, or the rating should be as low as possible. If you get a bonus, you have to have a 5. You cannot have a 1. Okay. Now Arun can have a 5. No 1s. Should be as low as possible. Put 2 2s and a 3. And so 2 2s and a 3. Right. Barun has a 3. He has only 1 5. 2 2s, missing 1 being a 3. That will be the best scenario for Barun. Chandan has 2 5s. Remember that. 5 plus 5. 2 2 3. He definitely has 2 5s. That's already there. Arun and Barun have only 1 5 each. Chandan has 2 5s. 2 5s, 2 2 and 3. Damodaran put 1 5. 3 3 2 2. Right. Iman has 1 5 2 3 3. 2 2s and 2 3s. The best case scenario, you have to have a 5 and then add up 2s and 3s. 2 2s and 2 3s. Wherever possible, accommodate this. We cannot do this in this case because there's a 4 here. We cannot do this in this case because there are 2 5s here. Other cases, it's easier. Now let's take the average. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 by 5 is 3.2. 8, 10, 12, 15, average is 3, 5, 10, 12, 14, 17, average is 3.4. 5, 3, 3, 2, 2, 6, 10, 15, average is 3, 5, 2, 3, 3, 2, 5, 10, 15, average is 3. And now we've got the least possible average rating, which is still not true. We need to find the amount that they're getting. Arun gets 1000 plus 250 into 3.2. 250 into 3 is 750. 250 into 0.2. 0.2 is 1/5. 250 into 0.2 is 250 by 5, 50. 750 plus 50 is 800. 1000 plus 800 is 1800. That's a lot. All our choices are below that, so it's not Arun. Barun has a rating of 3. 3 into 200 is 600. 600 plus 1200, again 1800. Again, not Barun either. Chandan has 3.4. 3.4 into 100 is 340. 1400 plus 340 is 1740. That is there. This is out. This is still possible. Damodaran has a rating of 3. 150 into 3 is 450. 450 plus 1300. 1300 plus 450 is 1750. 1300 plus 450 is 1750. That's also out. 1740 we already have. Iman has an average of 3. 3 into 200 is 600. 1100 plus 600 is 1700. 1700 is lower than the rest. This is an answer. Keep the constraints in mind. keep the fact that they have 1 5 already sitting there or 2 5 sitting there, then factor in the idea that we need to have as low as possible, so as few 5s as possible, as many 2s and 3s as possible. Combine that and put it together. Done. If all 5 drivers get bonus, what is the maximum possible value of the monthly payment that a driver gets? Maximum possible value. Forget what has been filled, forget the constraints. Maximum possible. I should have 5s, 4s, 3s, no 1s. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3. It's the best scenario. I cannot have 3 5s, remember. Right? But our numbers, we have some constraints. Right? Arun has 1 5. Right? Only 1 5. So put 1 5 inside. So have 2 4s and 2 3s. Best case scenario. Barun again has only 1 5. So put 5, 4, 4, 3, 3. Chandan has 2 5s. So put 2 5s in, 2 4s in. Damodaran, no constraint. So put 2 5s, 2 4s. Iman, no constraints. Put 2 5s, 2 4s. Let's calculate the average. 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 by 5 is 3.8. Best rating possible is 3.8. For Arun, 4 plus 3, 7, 4 plus 3, 7, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 best case possible, 19 by 5, 3.8. Chandan, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 10, 18, 20, 20 by 5 is 4. Damodaran, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 5 plus 5, 10, 14, 18, 21, 21 by 5 is 4.2. Damn good rating. Iman, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, similar to Chandan, 10, 14, 18, 20, 20 by 5 is 4. We're not done. We still need to find the amount of money each of them gets paid. 3.8 into 250. 4 into 250 is 1000. From that, we subtract 0.2 into 250, which is 50. We get 950 as the variable pay. 950 plus 1000, or Arun gets 1950. So this choice is out. 1950. How much does Barun get? 3.8 into 200. 38 into 2 is 76. 760. 760 plus 1200. 1200 plus 760, which is 1960. So more than Arun. This is 1960. So not this either. Chandan gets 4 into 100, 400 plus 1400, 1800. It's low. Damodaran, 4.2 into 150. So 42 into 15, 420 plus 210, 630, 1300 plus 630, which is 1930, which is lower than that. So I still like 1960 best. Iman gets 4 into 200, which is 800, 800 plus 1100, 1900. This doesn't work. Best case scenario, 1960. Nobody can make 2050. So if given the constraints, given the conditions we have, the best possible bonus is 1960, which is the amount that Barun can earn. Lovely.